Enjoy your cup of tea.
Your teacup stops, and then follow the signs to the nearest exit. Ta-ta! Please visit us again.
All right, Sugar Cubes, please remain seated until your
Welcome to our unbirthday party. For your safety, please be sure to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your teacup, and do watch your children. To spin your teacup, just keep turning the wheel to the right or to the left. The faster you turn it, the faster it spins. Well, it seems our party is about to begin. Have a most wonderful time. Ta-ta!
Ahora comienza el Magic Band. Mágica actividad, pero es la